From the moment that we matched on Hinge, I don't think we ever stopped talking.
Oh, here we go. Okay. My vowels.
We each had the app downloaded for about like 3 days, and then we matched, and then we both deleted it after a day of talking.
We were like, yep, that's all we needed it for, thank you. Her aura and her profile, perfect. And so I kind of like just had like a feeling when like you like see like the picture pop up and it's just like, yeah, I got no chance, but I'm gonna swipe right. That was her. And then I got like the notification that she texted me back and I was like, what?
And he kept asking me a question after like every text that I would send pretty much, and I was like, oh, he knows how to keep a conversation.
I just didn't want her to leave me on red.
And then I met him in person finally on our first date, and I was like, yes, this is good.
Thank you for being so handsome.
You're welcome. I have in my notes to wink at you now. So
I mean, on our first date, we talked for like 4 hours at Room 52, and the only reason we left is because the restaurant closed.
Conner. Although our journey together has been short, I expect our lives to be quite similar to the last year we've spent together. Full of joy.
it's okay. You are my answered prayer, the missing piece I didn't know I needed, but God knew I needed you, and He knew the perfect time to bring us together. He will also know the perfect time for our kids' first breaths, and their kids', and hopefully we will even get to meet their kids.
I never realized the piece that was missing from my life until I met you. From our first interaction, I knew you were someone who would bring immense joy and wisdom into my life. I had prayed diligently for my future husband that I would have clarity and peace when I met him. He answered my prayers tenfold when I met you. When I first saw you, I saw my future standing before me.
Like the sun.
Wow.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Hey.
Hi. You're supposed to do that. You're beautiful.
You have taught me so many things in the last year. How to make the best coffee, how NASCAR works, how to drive in Costa Rica, how to mow the perfect lawn. Most of all, you've taught me what it truly means to follow God, worship Him, and make Him the center of my life. Every trait I learned about you was something I didn't know I needed in a man until I met you. The supernatural peace, the discomfort of being called higher than I'd ever been called, every sign God showed me confirmed you were the man I was always meant to marry.
plenty or in want,
in plenty or in want,
in sickness or in health,
in sickness or in health,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
It's always you, it's always you.
I pray as our love grows and our two hearts become one, that we unite as messengers of the gospel to all those around. That He alone is the rock in which our foundation sits, and that our house may be built greatly upon it. God, I pray for wisdom and discernment as we go out of this day and begin our lives as a unit for Your glory. Your ways are much higher than ours, declares the Lord, and we pray that Your will and Your ways be done in our lives. May we resemble Christ and the church faithfully. Give us territory and enable us to spread Your gospel. Call us and lead us wherever You have for us.
God is faithful. God will sustain you in those moments when you feel like I can't sustain myself. We pray, oh God, would You put Your hands underneath them and sustain them? Would You give them strength that is not theirs but comes from You? We pray, Lord, let every symbol that we see today, these rings, this covenant, let it be a daily reminder to You, O God, who has joined them together. And the good work that You have begun, You will complete. Who sees the hearts of men and women, who has formed us in Your image and likeness. We pray, oh God, hear these vows, but even more, I pray that You would hear the heart of this young man and young woman. What God has joined together here this day, let no one separate. Conner, you may kiss your bride.